How to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Simple tips. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Stick around till the end to learn the tips and tricks for unlocking these blocks and boosting your gameplay. So let's dive in. Launch the Block Blast app on your device. Once the game is opened, tap here on the settings gear icon, and then tap on replay. Then you will notice that the colors of block are changed. You have to keep repeating the replay of block until all of the block become red. Once they become red, like here on the screen, do a screen recording of minimum 20 seconds. Next, go back to the home screen and open CapCut app. Install it if it is not in your device. Then tap on New Project, select Red Blocks, add it to the CapCut. Once in the editing menu, tap on the video. Then scroll the bottom menu and tap on the Adjust option from the menu. In the Adjust settings, go for the HSL option. Once in it, pick the red color and reduce the HUE to 0. You will notice that the blocks have now become pink. Play the video to review the changes. If you're satisfied with it, then tap Export at the top right corner of the screen. Just the edited video with pink blocks will be saved to your gallery. And that's it! Now you know how to get pink blocks in Block Blast using this simple trick. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!